Welcome to the channel. This will be this 2-year update on this pea gravel patio we built. If you did not see the video where we built this, link is in the description, and along with the 1-year update on it. If you've seen the 1-year update, then nothing really different has changed. It's holding up well. It's just maintaining weeds around the perimeter. Got a little bit of the fabric showing there. You just go around the perimeter of this thing with weed and grass killer. It keeps it maintained pretty well, and then occasionally weeding inside the stones, just like that. That does have to be done regularly, or else they can get out of control and cause issues with roots getting too intense and growing really heavily into the fabric down there. But as you can tell, a lot of it's covered with patio furniture and stuff right now and tarps, but to me it looks just as good as it did when we installed it. Still have ants, issues with ants, but whatever, that's okay. We can spray it if we want, but we're hesitant about spraying chemicals and stuff back here because we do have dogs. But the weed and grass killer is the only thing we really spray, and I do make sure to do that at night so it has a full night before the dogs come out here. Yeah, but it's held up exactly the same as the last update. We haven't had any new issues at all. I did say in the last update that you have to be careful what type of furniture you put on this, because the legs will stab through the fabric and straight into the ground, and you'll tip over. And creating holes in this fabric, you don't want to do that. So we have to come up with a way to keep those legs from going through the fabric. We just use a block of wood underneath everything. All right, that's it. Just a quick update. If anyone's interested, the video to the build is in the description, along with the 1-year update. And I will make another one next year. See how long this thing holds up. Thanks for watching.